What's up guys, Steve Walton here from the KHS Pro Mountain Bike team, and we're just going to do a quick bike check for you. So obviously starting off, we got the KHS 2.9 downhill frame. That's new for this season. You know, we've been working on that. That's coming out sick. We've got FSA wheels, Cushcore inside, keeping it good. We got Kenda front and rear. That's always sick, working with Roger and the boys over there. We got WTB saddle, FSA, keeping it good with the Cockpit. We got the stem and bars in addition to the wheels. We got ODI grips, Shimano Saint brake set and drivetrain, and Onyx hubs. And in addition, we got Fox suspension. And then we got the boys that fly, keeping us looking good.